In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a project from Replit. Replit is a fantastic platform for coding, but sometimes you need to take your work offline or share it in a different setting. Exporting your project is an easy process once you know the steps, and I'll walk you through it so you can do it with confidence. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Replit homepage. This is your main dashboard where you'll find all of your projects, also known as REIPLs. Open your preferred web browser and type in replit.com. When you hit enter, you should see the Replit homepage load, typically showing your list of projects and any recent activity. Next, locate the apps section. This is where all of your projects are conveniently compiled for easy access. Look for the apps button, which is usually located in your Replit dashboard menu. Click on it to open and reveal your various projects. Once inside the apps section, browse through the list of your projects to find the specific one you wish to export. If you've been working on multiple projects, take your time to locate the right one. They're often listed in order of recent activity, but you can also use the search bar to find it quickly by typing the project name. After identifying your project, move your cursor to the right of the project name. You'll see a three-dot icon appear, commonly referred to as the ellipsis or the options menu. Clicking on these dots will give you a drop-down menu with several options. In this drop-down, search for an option that says Download as zip. Click on this and it might take a moment depending on your project's size. Replit will begin compressing your project files into a single zip file, making it easier to download, transfer, or store elsewhere. After the compression is complete, your browser should prompt you to save the zip file on your device. Choose a convenient location on your computer where you can easily find it later. Many users prefer the desktop or a specific folder for projects. Once saved, you now have your Replit project safely stored as a zip file on your computer. You can unzip this file whenever you need to access the project's files and folders as usual. This method is particularly useful if you want to back up your project, share it with collaborators via email or cloud storage, or edit it using a different coding environment. And there you have it, exporting a project from Replit in just a few straightforward steps. Doing this regularly helps ensure that you have offline backups of your projects, giving you peace of mind in your development process. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has made your Replit experience even better.